Morning, YouTube. Sun still hasn't crested. What we have here is the same old rifled barrel firecracker powered 3D printed cannon that I've been testing. I've got some shots off before this, and I've learned a thing or two. 2 attempted shots. One actually got stuck because I pegged the wadding way too tight. And I found that this thing likes to get stuck on it as well after the shot. What I have here is a new toy. I bought myself a chronograph. So I'm going to be able to see how fast this 1 gram plastic projectile is traveling. And then we've got our old test subject. No point in destroying a new candle. Let's line that up a little bit so it gets caught on the corner perhaps. On the edge. Alright, let's turn on the chrono. Try not to move anything around. Finally got it positioned good, I think. Let's hope it flies out of that barrel. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright, it flew out the barrel. 239 feet per second. Well, that's kind of disappointing. It says it's 1.4 grams, 3.72 joules, foot-pound energy. I think that was joules. But it came out with more force than the first time I shot it, or for camera. I've lost the bullet. This is actually fairly incredible. I didn't think it would be. I didn't think it would fly clear through the candle. Look at that. All right, so I wonder if you can see like the rifling coming through it. Let's see, maybe if I have some light passing through it. Can we see the rifling that the bullet left? Nah, I'm not thinking so. That's a fairly clean hole, though. I'm impressed with that. I only threw it back a little bit because the barrel stayed on this time. So I gotta chalk that up as a success. I thought I would get more speed out of it, honestly. But 200, what was it? 239 feet per second, 3.72 joules, 1.4 gram projectile. I don't know how it calculates the projectile's weight. Nonetheless, that's pretty impressive for just some stuff I've designed up on the computer and printed. All right, have a good one.